Hello, fortuitous friends. Captain Create here. Have you ever wondered why we wear green for St. Patrick's Day? Because it's believed that little leprechauns are really mischievous and they like to pinch people.
Ow!
But if a person is wearing green, they can't see them.
Oh, phew. That's good news, because I sure don't like being pinched.
So, at least for St. Patrick's Day, green is better. But did you know that for some foods, green is better too? Maybe not like green meat or green stuff growing on your food, but green vegetables like green salads, vegetable side dishes, greens mixed in with your favorite foods, and more. One of my all-time favorite green foods is a green fruit smoothie. Actually, sometimes I call it an alien fruit smoothie. What's the secret ingredient? Spinach. But you can also add kale or other leafy greens.
Ew, I'm not sure I would like that.
Now hold on, just hear me out. Some greens like spinach have a mild flavor, which means it's hard to taste.
The best part.
So even though my smoothie is green, it still tastes like all the yummy fruits, but I get all the wonderful nutrients like vitamin C, iron, fiber, folate, and all the other good things in vegetables.
Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble.
It's like liquid gold. Green-colored liquid gold. Plus, green makes your food invisible, so the leprechauns won't steal it. But that won't stop someone else. So get creative with your greens. Check out the links below for some awesome green recipes and ideas, and don't forget to subscribe to Captain Create.